a house anywhere. That's what me call house. Rich. A be dream come true, the man. And the entire maker sign said, Branton, the beer or Sunday house no possible. The dream club. Yes. Me and Kasa personally, Emmanuel Sapon. A lot of the time, I'm in a dream communion. Senior has the Minyamebo. So a band to my boy. Up house. Minim the energy so. Minim say Ebia. Obiasa no come so kwa hasa. E hona ne shine beba dia. But Rich, for my personal conversation with him, I went to the house. And say in Pimpin Rich so obi per club sa na only opportunity to play. Ayo yini yembo. Yes. Enti da Emmanuel Sapo be sign we no. I'll be very, very happy for him. And baby I'm obiano asama me catch him say abrantie no e die so park sie e Ghana football mu and abamu no. Now I'm not here to say o deserve o betimi dabi. But they met me a share and they say Emmanuel Sapo us always wanted to play us. The beer of us over us. Even when there were other clubs or many brace or mobile signing people. The beer house, yo, house and house and it's a branch in the house no paper. Yeah, that's what I think the transfer anywhere there.
The transfer almost mean said there last season almost signed some about in our case and she said I'm fan of Sapondiano. As a moon say, as some about the club and also double figures. I will never found.
Who's it? As some about has some Namakan. Maybe pound watch you. Say, and your son, your castle already so. And she, Obia or Pessamisa can be BBM along those lines. Mean yes, idea. Mean yet. Say, if Emresona ye di transfers ne hon komo gidi say player we ko we be say based on player no do obetimi dia ba on board no obetimi aba ye beka but sa tangent no to say asamo no you nkobim na Rich answer na ye beka kotoko asamo na enkoma na mbese medini ye mate say in the house a board meeting and agenda no first to decide why and a lead the technical team whether omuye evaluation ama Ouattara tena and say omu ya be catch say they think also must but meet you know moye ne Rich asien en tutu kakra ho and asien tutu no say has a board no. There are people on the board. I insist to say Coach Ouattara no, he should be made technical director. Now has Enkofa coach mra. And Sadiana has been there for a very, very long time. At a point in time, Coach Ouattara was able to tell Has board and say, so I'm pushing coach technical director and come on. Because technical director actually onye na against obey. Now Rich, massive in here. The role of a technical director. Any nejuma also you know. To me, Coach Ouattara has 2 seasons as the head coach now. Was say sign the portfolio and say obetimi pass akwa technical director bi. Do you know why? What coach has 2 seasons? Si ekofa coach ba. Na si de woko technical director. Rich. Ebuo any be na sa coach no. Looking at who 2 seasons now about Accra no. Or the man to collaborate with you as a technical director who on paper will be superior to him to do the job. It's a classical example. You have to say Bashir Hayford. You have to say Coach Busy say Maswo Kunedu, Maswu Didi Dramani, Munina on the short list has a consider. Assuming any one of these coaches has a point to beheaded the first team, and mammy, now you promote Ouattara to a technical director. Rich, any of these three coaches. Emut dear hen I would give say or share 2 seasons Ouattara and has a boya or be according to the respect and say so Ouattara a senior and that's Ouattara Tesrona on enemy no carbon or 24 about the Juma or money direction near ya obeti. I don't think it will work.
Well, Bashir for Plessis second.
Yes.
Oh, little also. Jesudo Osan Hassan. It will coach a mimi sound and I may be reported to you.
What's us?
So,
for me, 2 seasons now Ouattara Babedino. Rich was say ne consideration. Say has bet me up promoted to technical director. Was says idea. Then to stay on, me who say house of folk fans bebre. I say none materials no, and na enko ye, and that is a woman material papa obeti my edman. Rich, I bet to differ. Unim de tia bekasa. Say we a house of folk supporter. We a house management. We a house board. Rich, say okay say we a proper research. Our house team nim. Omua Ouattara any omudi in Kitawudie on the day-to-day job aye the players meboa. Rich, opasema making. Let any house of folk management member and as a board and take it upon himself. Now Uncle say okay, I am going to the playing body. At least Ebimone Ouattara here Juma for 2 seasons. Ebimone here Juma for 1 season. Rich, both man management and technical know-how, whether the players will be happy for Ouattara to stay on or not. They will get their answer. Rich, player Ben Ouattara improving.
But be sure say evaluation no more, you know. They will talk to the players. They will call them one on. Then no more say coach, you know. Evaluation on him. Mona money need training. Motion need training. Niema on dem money adena.
Tactics.
Or you the man to lead us. And me sure say players and also be management and board. No
good. Now you see, before management never sample. From a journalistic point of view, Rich has team. Say Osha since Ouattara buy 2 seasons now abona. Sa penchen football now has abona. Say who profile has players no more team nimra. Rich, die benya time. We will draw a conclusion say even though has Division 2, Division 1 players be my team no. Still now has had enough quality. Make a quality now. I am being object and your quality say a top quality. But they had enough quality. Rich they could have played better than the 2 seasons they've played under Coach Ouattara. And say okay say yes specific play be say Martin Kakarimu. Look, you can't tell me say you can't exploit the creativity in that guy. But under Ouattara, position kwa who may be obo park so. Set to say by. Look, change the position. Whether obo or wing so obras number 10. On said that the oil
we go convincing coach.
Rich.
Maybe at the set to say no as good. We're losing the touch.
Rich, we're losing the touch. But there is a way you use players. I will be able to say, okay, this is what is in him. So, try something important and an send you then you can say, so a form issue. But tactics, ankasa. Even the deportation of the players on the pitch. Rich, last season, how many goals now Hamza is Asaba has? Adentina sorti. Adentina has a quacoto as a mobile or the 11 goals beba. Never the whole season won't mention one goal cry. Does it mean coach now who you see? And I say, dear Badia. If you talk to me about players now no more serious, players now no more form, players now I say pressure almost so it is the coach's responsibility, Rich, to manage the players and get the best out of them. Even off the pitch situations, a player no also on the casa. But the who pitch in the say if has strikers and to me share goals. Now the share goals from Pomo last season, last 2 seasons, ni go to so tiana etia. Then Rich, it should tell you say players any the way almost here, the profiling of them Rich, Odi Opa me say has impending for must speak to the playing body. Na emo relationship with the coach. No. Because
really business.
Yes, yes. It's a new relationship. Only the
coach not to say. Only the tactics to say. Ni training methods.
Yes, ask the coach about a Jumano. Say we a shankiki, we a winger. Saying a ball. The way Ouattara ebony bono. Does it bring the best out of you? Oya Maoli wayo saying a ball. Send your Ouattara Shebo Park. Does it bring the best out of you? Oya Martin Kakai saying a ball. Send your Ouattara a training regime. Now Shebo Park. Does it bring the best in you? Rich, they will get their answer if they should continue with the coach or not. And say if they get their answer, not a negative. If Haas is supposed to get Omu coaching decision right, Rich, with these same players and few additions, I am not predicting Haas will win the league. But Ubamu said these same individual players, he Rich, Ombebo season, their numbers will improve, their confidence, any Omubo will improve. Yababetraka then yes, I play in the last season. Now, we said them Bobby Onimbono. There are coaches that can improve these players.
We just have a we are doing find out of Lions.
Who knew Ismail Adomone, those players now? But look at how he has brought the best out of those players. That is a one of me.
Okay. Say, meeting
Rich.
Some of my evaluation.
I have only 1 point against Ouattara.
Okay.
Mijini said the potential of the team no one. And the way I will see you soon. Rich, on the right coach. Say obeti me atwaso ewo haso folk. That is me opinion. Ewo sasam no Rich.
I think we am na ema to adwuma de so shawan 4.5.
Amuzu garlic bitters ma moja di afrusani ye blood pressure any cholesterol ko form